Don't be hard on yourself. Just a gentle reminder to keep pushing forward, stay on track, and be positive. No matter what kind of spot you are in, physically, mentally, and emotionally, it's all temporary. Your next chapter is going to cause some people to wish that they treated you better. Things have already started to turn into your favor. The unseen will become seen. The imagined will become a reality. Dream will manifest. This is your breakthrough. Things are miraculously going to work out for you. Don't be hard on yourself. Keep rocking.
Down to one last breath.